Clean microwave using baking soda and vinegar. Number 1. Remove everything from the oven, including the rack. Number 2. Create a paste out of baking soda and water. Number 3. Spread the baking soda paste over the entire interior of the oven. Number 4. Leave the paste to saturate the grime for at least 12 hours. Number 5. Clean the oven rack while the baking soda paste is doing its job. Number 6. Use a damp dishcloth and spatula to clear off the dried paste.
Here we go.
Number 7. Spray the interior of the oven with vinegar and water. Number 8. Wipe out the remaining residue and vinegar with a damp dishcloth. Put the oven rack back inside and enjoy your shiny, clean oven. Replace everything you had removed that you want back in your oven. Clean your oven with lemon juice. Number 1. Juice 2 lemons into a baking dish and fill it 1/3 full with water. Number 2. Bake the lemon juice dish for 30 minutes at 250 degree. Number 3. Let the oven cool down. Then scrape and wipe away the loosened crumbs. Number 4. Dry the oven off with a towel. Then replace the oven rack.